Let us discuss problem on machine coding. The given problem statement is a parking lot is an area where cars can be parked for a certain amount of time. A parking lot can have multiple floors with each floor having different number of slots and each slot being suitable for different types of vehicles. For this problem, we have to design the next generation parking lot system which can manage a parking lot without any human intervention. Here the given requirements are create a command line application for the parking lot system with the following requirements. The functions that the parking lot system can do is it can create the parking lot. We need to add the floors to the parking lot, add a parking lot slot to any of the floors. Given a vehicle, we need to find available slots and book it, create tickets, parks the vehicle and returns the tickets, and unparks the vehicle with the given ticket. Display the number of free slots, those, and then details about the parking slots. Each type slot can park a specific type of vehicle, and here given details about the ticket. The ticket ID would be of the following format. Now let us discuss input output format. This is the input format we should give, and this is the output format we should get. So now let us dive into the code. Here have taken the class which have the attributes parking lot ID and then number of floors and slots per floor, and I have taken hash map free slots floor all available and occupied slots by floor and parked vehicles. Then you can see the code here. uh, it start with the driver class. I've taken the scanner, then I created an empty object parking lot, then enter your input. Here string input, whatever we have taken that command, we have splitting that into string array command, that is command of 0 1 2 this. Now if command of 0 equals create parking lot, then we'll call this constructor new parking lot, that is command 1 and command 2 and command 3. Let's try this code. Everything will be in the while loop. Whenever we execute a particular one, we'll break from it. Whenever we do exit, that time we will break it. So until unless it will keep going inside it. So let's give command create parking lot with some id like p or 1 2 3 4 5. Then let's give number of floors and slots per each floor is suppose 6. So we created the parking lot with 2 floors and 6 slots per floor. Let's check this code. So when you go, I'm giving parking lot ID, then number of floors and slots per floor. So it just matching. Then there is an function initialize parking slot where we have the outer loop is number of floors. Then this one I'm putting in the free slots and occupied slots. Then I'm taking inner loop the slide slots per floor. Then I'm just putting that into, and then I'm also inserting the values into floors free slots by floor and occupied slots by floor, that is hash map like key value pair I'm putting it. So after it's done, you can see I'm printing created parking lot with 2 floors and 6 slots per floor. Then let us check. uh, Now let us check. Uh, let's park the vehicle. I'm parking the vehicle with command park v h I c l e park vehicle, and suppose that is the car. Then k type k something board number. then the color is black. So you can see the we have parked a vehicle with the ticket ID. So that is a park vehicle, that is command 1, command 2 and command 3. So let's check the park vehicle code. This is vehicle type car, then string registration number, and then color. So it will just start checking for the floor 1. So whenever uh, if nothing is empty, everything is empty, then we'll say parking lot full, or else we'll just keep that value in it. You can check this code, then I will print the parked vehicle with ticket ID generated the 22. Now let us unpark this vehicle. So I am writing the code unpark uh, vehicle, uh, this with the ticket ID I will unpark it. So unpark vehicle ticket ID is done. You can see here unpark command 1 unpark vehicle with the ticket ID. Suppose if it is doesn't have the ticket ID, let's suppose instead of 2, let's find this ticket is not there, then it's an invalid ticket. Or else if we pass the correct ticket, then it will just check there, then it will do the unparked vehicle with the ticket ID that is generated one. So similarly we can check for the display and display free count. Whenever we do any wrong comment, wrong command, it will show invalid. And if we run the exit command, it will just come out of the loop, break it. So this is about machine coding round on parking lot system.